This is going to be a test of a brand new Qlife Max hydrogen bottle. I just completed one test with one cycle. This one's going to be a double cycle. They say you can get up to 3,000 or 5,000 parts per million if you do two cycles. So I'm using distilled water again. Here we go. And this is room temperature. And they want you to fill it up. I put a little bit more in. Not supposed to fill it all the way to the top. So here we go. Secure the top. We'll go through two cycles on this one. Okay, and it started. So I've done several tests now. I've done a test with my other bottle, which I've had for 8 months. This one here that I just sat down. I've had that one for about 8 months, and I did a cold water distilled water test, and that came to 1.4 parts per million. And then I did a room temperature distilled water test on the 8-month used bottle, and that came to 2.4 parts per million. I just completed a room temperature distilled water test on this brand new one, just one cycle, and it came to 2.4 parts per million, just like the 8-month-old one. Qlife advertises 3,000 parts per million with one cycle, and up to 5,000 parts per million for two cycles. So both tests came out the same with 2.4 parts per million with room temperature distilled water. And it's short of the 3,000 parts per million that they advertise. I do believe that if you warm up the water a little, you might get a higher hydrogen content, but who wants to drink warm water? So again, this is going through the first cycle. We're going to do a double cycle to see if it even gets close to 5,000 parts per million. And I'm using the blue reagent test. You can see this is the used one, so I'm going to go and rinse this cup. I've got the music on, so to show that there's no finagling with the video, stoppages. So it shows 100% accuracy. If you decide to test using this blue reagent, be super careful, because this stuff will stain countertops, stainless steel. It'll mark your place up if you spill it or get drops.
Your favorite TV shows are on YouTube. Enjoy the latest releases.
And let's skip this ad. So what you can do from this point, if you want to, you can scroll forward to where the blue reagent test starts, so you don't have to sit here for 10 minutes, because I believe it's about 5 minutes for each cycle. So I'm not going to be speaking from here on out, so feel free to fast forward up to the blue reagent where you're going to start seeing me put drops in the test bottle. Okay, there's one cycle. We're going to start the second cycle. Second cycle has started. Skip this ad.
Tradition's great, but peanut butter whiskey's delicious. Smooth wind up your character. So excuse my word. Screwball peanut butter whiskey. Screw you.
All right, here we go. I'm going to fill it up to the red line. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to stir it up a little just by rotating the 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, wow. Still looking kind of blue. So that didn't even get near. That's 2 cycles. It was only 2.4, same as 1 cycle. So 2.4 parts per million, way below advertised at 5,000. So that's your Qlife Max hydrogen bottle test 2024. Actually today is July 20th, 2024. Thanks for watching.